Hi viewers, welcome back to JD Vishnu YouTube channel. This side Vishnu. You are watching Northstar Allura Villas at Kokapet, Hyderabad luxury gated community. This is phase 1, already handover done, 36 villas, 14,000 square feet clubhouse. This is phase 2, 19 villas under construction project. Already villas maximum completed, one or two yet to start, but limited availability is there. Three villas are east facing, two villas are west facing, one is mortgage, one is north facing villas. 300 square yards and 350 square yards villas are available for sale. Here, budget starts from the 8.5 crore to 9 crores, G plus 2 floors, 4,100 SFT build up area, very prime location, well connected to the across the city and close to all international schools, malls, and hospitals. This project spread across 6.3 acres, 54 villas, 14,000 square feet clubhouse. If you are watching first time JD Vishnu YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share your friends and family members. Click on bell button, you will get notification West Hyderabad real estate updates. And also, if you want to sell a villa in a gated community in West Hyderabad, contact us. We will help to sell your property. If you want to purchase a villa or gated community high-rise apartments, please let us know your requirements.